It was one of those occasions when our home would be overflowing with warmth and laughter. Full stop. The basic guest list would be the same, and with each passing year a few more would be added. Full stop. All our invitees would network with one another and try to land at our place around the same time so that they could spend some quality time together. Full stop. Since many of our guests were from different walks of life, living in far flung places, this informal system worked well. Full stop. Our callers would be merrily engaged in cordial, company, allowing us, the hosts, to divide our time and attention over different sets of people. Full stop. Contact details would be exchanged, photographs would be taken, and those who had come in their own vehicles would pick up or drop off some others en route, full stop. There have been instances when many of them who were not well acquainted become good friends over these journeys. Full stop. Para. All of that changed with the coming of COVID. Full stop. This year we decided to open our doors for a few friends, comma, relatives, and a couple of people from the area. Full stop. On second thought, comma, we added a couple of dear ones of our dear ones so that they do not feel left out. Full stop. More thought on the subject led to the addition. Full stop. Stop.